माँ बिहार का एक छोटा सा गांव इन दिनों सुर्खियों में है। वजह है यहाँ का एक देसी फाइटर, फिटनेस फ्रीक और अब ग्लोबल इंस्पिरेशन बन चुका राजा यादव। खेतों में दौड़ते हुए, मिट्टी में पुशअप्स करते हुए, पुराने टायर से बॉडी बनाते हुए राजा यादव के वीडियो अक्सर सोशल मीडिया पर वायरल होते हैं। उसे देखकर अमेरिका से मशहूर फिटनेस कोच मरविन अची खुद बघा गए। राजा यादव को लोग पहले ही फिटनेस बिहारी टार्जन के नाम से पहचानने लगे, लेकिन अब इस देसी मेहनतकश को ग्लोबल पहचान मिल गई है। मरविन अची अमेरिका के जाने माने फिटनेस कोच हैं। वो अपने अनोखे ट्रेनिंग स्टाइल और मोटिवेशनल स्पीच अप्रोच के लिए जाने जाते हैं, लेकिन जब उन्होंने राजा यादव के देसी अंदाज के लिए किए गए वर्कआउट का वीडियो देखा तो खुद को रोक नहीं सके। उन्होंने तय किया कि इस मेहनती नौजवान से मिलने वो बघा आएंगे, बिहार पहुंचेंगे और फिर वो सच में अमेरिका से सीधे बिहार के बघा गांव पहुंच गए। बघा पहुंचकर मरविन अची का अंदाज बिल्कुल बदला हुआ नजर आया। विदेशी चमक दमक और जिम मशीनों से दूर वो यहाँ की सादगी और मिट्टी से जुड़ गए। उन्होंने कहा कि राजा यादव की लगन देखकर उन्हें उनका बचपन याद आ गया।
Brings you to Bagha all the way from the United States.
Oh my gosh, I've always wanted to visit India, and you know when I thought about where to visit, right, I reached out to Raja, and Raja invited me to Bihar, and he told me about the beautiful place. And coming here now, I get to see that by myself, and I mean, look at this place. It's so peaceful. Like, I want to just stay here.
Oh yeah, of course.
I live in the city, you know, so very noisy, and here it's just calm.
Yes.
Like, look at that. Like, I've never seen anything like this. I've never seen anything like this.
Second question: how do you feel visiting a small town like Bagha in Bihar?
Wow, you know what? I grew up in a small town too.
Oh.
Like when I grew up, I grew up in a small town. So coming here, that's why I was quiet when we were driving, because it reminds me of back home, long time ago, you know. So I feel the same, and I feel that. So it's beautiful. Coming here just makes me, just appreciate myself, appreciate life, appreciate like where I come from and different things like that.
Great.
So,
Okay, next question: what do you think about the fitness culture you see here in Bagha and Bihar?
you know what? I mean, I think you told me, or he told me that there's not much equipment here,
Yes.
but still people stay
That's the
fit.
quality of Raja Yadav.
That's crazy.
That's the quality. Lack of resources, he just make his fitness. Lack of resources.
Lack of resources,
Yes.
and he's still keeping fitness.
Keeping fitness.
It's challenging. It's because
Very challenging. That is
Yeah.
why people love him.
Exactly.
That is why crowd just Raja Yadav. He has no gym. He doesn't join gym any good physique.
Commitment.
Also internationally, people know him by his
yes,
fitness.
yes, definitely.
Yeah.
I know him.
Yeah,
In fact,
you
I know
also
him
know
by
him.
his fitness because I saw his video. I was running. I'm like, wow, amazing guy. You know.
అది బగహా మార్చిన